how to make your Cash App auto accept payment. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon on so you updated for these tutorials. So let's go and head on to our Cash App. And if you can see here, so this would be the homepage of your Cash App. And what you need to do is go to the banking. And once you are in the banking, what you need to find is the option called deposits and transfers. So once you find that, click on it or tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will see a option right here where it has a toggle switch to auto add cash. So in order for you to auto accept payment, just turn on the switch and it will auto add cash. And if this is your first time, you will be asked to set it on daily or weekly and monthly. So just choose whatever suits you, and there you go. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.